This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 3950BHR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Georgia, 30736 and is offered for sale by Northgate RV Center. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a linen interior, sleeps 10, slideout, oven, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, water heater, DVD player, LP detector, skylight, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 3950BHR is 13,688 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Northgate RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.